You can't afford to miss out on these AI softwares in 2023. Devils.app is an AI-powered coding tool that helps you build web apps in seconds. Scenario.gg is an AI software which will help you create high-quality and style-consistent assets for your games. Clickable.so lets you generate ads in seconds. Its software allows you to create brand-consistent and highly converting ads for marketing channels with no experience needed. Spellbook.legal lets you draft contracts 3 times faster using their AI. It then uses ChatGPT to review the contract to make sure everything is correct. Lumalabs.ai lets you capture in 3D using your phone. This is perfect for everything from mobile games to e-commerce. Let me know if you're going to use any of these in the comments and follow for more AI-based content.